Have you ever gotten gum stuck onto clothing or carpeting and had an impossible time removing it? Today I'm going to show you in this video how to remove it really easily using a simple ingredient. Hey everybody, so I tracked gum into the car a couple weeks ago. I didn't get around to cleaning it because I was just too busy, but as you can see on here on my floor mat, I have 2-week-old gum that I've scraped off as much as I can, and I can't get any more than that. So we'll use today's technique to remove it. Also, just to show you how it can be used on clothing as well, my daughter had sat in some gum. I've scraped off a bunch of it, but I'll show you using the same technique how to remove it from clothing. So the regular household items you just need to remove the gum stain is soap, ordinary toothbrush, a cloth, and a secret ingredient of peanut butter. Yes, for some reason peanut butter works well. I'm not sure why. I believe it has to do with the oils that kind of lift off the gum eventually and loosens it from the cloth for you to scrub it out. So all we're going to do is apply this first using the toothbrush. It doesn't have to be a lot, just enough to cover it. Right there. Scrub it in pretty good. Let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. We're also going to do the same thing with the clothing. Scrape off as much as you can before you apply this technique so you can get more penetration. As you can see, it's really stuck on in there. Just do the best you can. Looks like that's the best I can, so apply again with the toothbrush. Doesn't have to be fancy, just good coverage. Rub it in there. All right, we'll let that sit for 5-10 minutes. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. The first thing you need to do is remove as much of the peanut butter off from the clothing and from the upholstery. Next, I'm going to take my toothbrush again and soap, apply that and scrub it in. Okay, then you rinse with water. You can use a spray bottle or just dip it into a bowl of water. And if you can see, most of it is popping off already. Just a few stubborn pieces of glue still in there, or gum in there. You might have to repeat this. It's coming off pretty good, but it looks like I'm going to have to do round 2. Okay, round 2, peanut butter on the stubborn areas. We'll let that sit for another 5-10 minutes. Clothing's entirely clean. And as you can see, on both the clothing as well as the upholstery, we've removed the gum with nothing other than peanut butter, soap, and a little bit of elbow grease. Hey everybody, thanks for watching this video. If it helped you out, please click the like button and consider subscribing to this channel. Also, if you know of any other techniques to remove gum from clothing and upholstery, I'd love to hear it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.